So whenever there are crises, there are always an opportunity. So it is up to us individual that how do we find opportunities within the crisis as well. So today's video, it is about the similar opportunity which I feel that it could be a great investment opportunity in upcoming days amid this uncertainty has risen due to Russia and Ukraine war. So what is that opportunity that I'm going to discuss with you today? So let's go straight to the screen and let us discuss that opportunity. So the company which I have explored, which I have found, that is a tinplate.com. So Tinplate, it is the company which a Tata company subsidiary and which expertise in a tin plate which is used in making a lot of material for paint company, oil company, the other food consumption company. So let us go straight to the company's fundamentals. So Tinplate Company of India Limited. So as we can see here, Tinplate Company of India is a producer of tin coated and tin free steel sheets in India, and it is a subsidiary of Tata Steel Company. So this has a very strong apparent base. And if we read more about the company, so the tin plate manufactured by company, it is used for packaging of edible oil, paints and chemicals and processed food, batteries and etc. So the core product of the company, it is purely directly related with the consumption, and in our country with our growing population, our consumption is definitely going to increase, be it the food product, be it the oil, be it the edible oil, be it the paint mainly because of the consumption increase in real estate as well, because currently real estate was doing well, just got bit slow down because of this war crisis, but again definitely it is going to do well. If we further talk about the geographical split, so it has a 14% in export, and this is the most interesting point, with domestic 86% in FY21 versus 76% in FY18. So in last 2 to 3 financial year, company has increased their domestic sale. So what does that tell you? That this company, whatever happens globally, it will not have that greater impact or that huge impact on their sale or their earnings in due to this global crisis, because their majority of sales comes from domestic market. So that is a very good thing. Now if we go further down, so the company is supported by the strong parentage of the Tata Steel Limited, along with the presence of top 2 executive of Tata Steel Limited on the board of TCIL. So the company, it is managed by a very good, fundamentally strong company and a strong board of directors. So that represents a good sign of management. Now if we look into the financial of the company has produced the highest ever quarterly result in December 21. So if you see here, the December result is 1180 crore. So which is highest ever quarterly result and highest ever net profit, 127 crore in the last quarter ended. And if we see even trailing 12 months sales as well, it is highest ever 3778 crores. And if we talk about shareholding pattern, the shareholding patterns also has been quite consistent. Promoters holding have been pretty steady. FII have increased marginally in last quarter. DII does not hold anything, and public is also at a decent level. So this is the one of the good sign, very strong sign, that when promoter do not change their holding at all in past so many years. If you see here from March 2019 till now, there is not a single change in promoters holding. So that tells us that the promoters themselves have a very good faith on their company, on their management and on their growth. But the most important thing which I here really like is just look at the financial results. Let me put them up again once again. Just look at this: highest ever quarterly result, highest ever operating profit, highest ever net profit, and look at the interest, negligible interest, 1 crore here, 2 crore, just here little bit higher, 6 crore, 2 crore, nothing at all. So no debt at all. And even if we go to borrowings as well in balance sheet, where they used to have 207 crores of borrowing in March 2010, which is now just 13 crore in the last balance sheet released in September 21. So borrowings are also negligible. So the fundamentally company is really very strong. And then if we just quickly give a glance to the company's products range, what do they do? So if we go into the product applications, we just click on read more. So here we can see that they are into edible oils, paints, aerosol, battery components and processed foods. So they have a quite a huge product base, and if you actually see these things logically in detail, they supply in more or less of every industry, because in food industry, processed foods, the tins are required to use to pack the foods. In paint, tins are required to pack the paints. In edible oil, tins are required to pack the oil. In battery components as well, tins are required for the various packagings. So the core product of the company, which is used in lot of other industries across the country. If you look at the technicals of the company, let me just remove all these drawings and the indicators what I have made. So let's look at the weekly time frame. So in weekly time frame, if you see here, there was a bit of resistance at this level, which was the previous high of the company in January 2018. So that resistance was broken by company in October 2021, and then it had came down till this previous resistance level, which acted as a support, and then it has shown good up move. So we can actually also consider this, that it had made a cup with handle pattern. So this is the cup and this is the handle. So it has made very nice cup with handle pattern. It did give breakout over previous high of 2018, and then it has also again given beautiful retracement at the same level, and now if you see the last week, it has given 10.92% move. So when there is a breakout, and after breakout, if there is a retracement and if it takes support at the same level, which was the previous resistance, that is actually considered to be a more powerful movement than just a pure breakout, because sometimes breakout can be a fake breakout as well, and then that can put you into the trap, and then by considering breakout you take position, but then breakout does not sustain and it goes down. But in this case, it did take breakout, retrace back, and again now started moving back. So now what would be the target of this company? So the way to calculate target is we just take the range and then put the range at the same neckline breakup where it was. So the technical target, it comes out to be 562 rupees. So if we consider from this current price level, it has a potential of further growing by 52% in upcoming days. Now how long it will take? It might take 3 months, it might take 6 months, it might take 1 year, but even if it takes 1 year, still 52% in 1 year, it is an absolutely brilliant gain. So do I have position in this stock yet? Not at this moment, but I'm definitely going to take position maybe Monday or Tuesday, depending on how the levels are coming out on this upcoming week. But I'm definitely going to take position in this, and if I do take position, I will update on my Twitter. Link to join my Twitter, I have put it into the description. You can follow me on Twitter, where I do update my live trades, or if I take any position, if I sell any position, everything is updated there. So you can check it out over there. So this was very nice, simple and quick analysis of Tinplate Company India Limited. I will end this video with a disclaimer that this is not a buy or a sell recommendation. It is just my analysis, the way I learn and the way I trade, and my objective of making this video is that we learn and earn together. And if you do like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. And you want me to make analysis of any companies you are holding, please send me message on Twitter, and I will be very happy to make video for your company and the similar analysis based on the technical, fundamental and business. This is the 3 points I always consider when I do my the stock analysis. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching my channel, The Wealth Sarthi, and stay tuned for the more update. This is Tulsi signing out until I see you again.